I'm Bisly Beads by name, the CEO of Bisly Event Planets. So we do make beads and we sell different kind of quality beads and accessories. So today I'll be training you on how to make a simple bracelet like this with memory wire, just like this. So these are the materials we'll be needing. We will be using sand bead, size 3 sand bead. We have the black color here, we have the gold color here, and alphabet beads. This alphabet is iron. It's just Bisly. I want to write Bisly on the bracelet. So here we start. This is the memory wire. So you can actually cut it to the size that you want. So we are making 4 layers of the memory wire beads. So ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀. So you can pick like 6 black beads. With 2 gold. So I was going to the hand. So you just knot it like this. This is the end of the bracelets. So you just knot it like this. So wow. So we are done with it. So you can just put it on like this. That is beautiful.